So it's 2 a.m. and your brain doesn't want to shut down. We've all been there. Just pop a little melatonin, grab your phone, and scroll until the end of Instagram. It doesn't have to be this way. I found this crazy hack that I've been using for months, and it literally changed my life. I couldn't go to sleep. My husband will be sleeping next to me, and 1 hour in, and I'm still awake, staring at the ceiling or looking at social media. I'm Danny, and this is Today Then You Learn. And today I'm going to show you this word hack. It's called word shuffling. That's going to put you to sleep in minutes. And I'm also going to show you two bonus tricks used by Navy SEALs and sleep scientists. All right, so let's start with my favorite, and that's the one I use. First, you need a seed word. It needs to be something calm, something that doesn't have a lot of emotions attached to it. So don't pick something like taxes. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to pick the word bird. So the idea is to preload your brain with this harmless word so that intrusive thoughts cannot come in. Got your word? Now you're going to bring that word to life. You're going to close your eyes and you're going to visualize that word. So I'm visualizing a bird. You should do that for 10 seconds. Just keep your eyes closed throughout the whole time that you're doing this. So here's where the word shuffle or cognitive shuffle comes in. You're going to go letter by letter, naming words that start with that letter. So for bird, we're going to start with the letter B. I like to name things that I can visualize, but you can say them really fast. So I can think of balloon, burrito, beach. You're going to name as many words as you can for that letter. So I do B, then I go through I, R, and D. I never make it to the last letter. Honestly, usually I fall asleep on the second letter. And if you get stuck, you just move on to the next letter. And that prevents your brain from having all those thoughts that you have at night. So before we get into the extra 2 tips I'm going to give you, make sure to like and subscribe so you keep getting content like this. So if you try the word shuffle and it still didn't work, I got this Navy SEAL breathing technique that's going to dip your heart rate down and it's going to put you in a better spot for falling asleep. For that, you're going to breathe in quietly through your nose for 4 seconds. Then you're going to hold your breath for 7 seconds and you're going to exhale forcefully through the mouth for 8 seconds. You repeat that 4 times. That's going to lower your heart rate, it's going to calm your nervous system, and it will signal to your brain that it's safe to sleep. Now, if that still didn't work, there's one more trick that you can try that's pretty much reverse psychology. You're going to lie down, open your eyes, and say to yourself, I'm going to stay awake for as long as I can. Keep your eyes open. Make sure that you're in a dark room. This reverse psychology usually relaxes the performance anxiety that you have when you're trying to fall asleep. And then your eyelids start getting heavier and heavier, and then you fall asleep. So if you had a hard time falling asleep and these tricks don't work individually, you can combine all of them to create the ultimate sleep hack. So now with all these tricks, you're going to be able to fall asleep faster. That's only halfway there. The amount of time that you sleep doesn't always dictate good sleep. For next level sleep, make sure to check my video that I'm going to put somewhere up here that talks about 3 upgrades that I did that improved my sleep significantly. That's going to help you sleep more efficiently and wake up feeling more well rested. If you have any questions about the sleep hacks I shared today, or if you have your own sleep hacks that you want to share, make sure to drop that in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you keep getting content like this. And I'll see you when I learn some new stuff.